1998 Chrysler Cirrus LXI 2.5 V6. This car has a no start issue, and I'm fortunate because I do have all my cover panels for all of this, and I did check all these feeders with an ohms meter. They do check out, and I've tried switching them around too, just to, to see whether the starter relay would not work if it's not in there, and it doesn't. And I replaced the distributor and the crankshaft positioning sensors way down there. But now and this is my main computer right here, and this is a transmission control module, and you do have to take this off. It's easy to take off, but now I've came into where this here screw just turns and turns and turns, so I can't get that off. So I did order, you can find them on eBay for less than $50. And this is going to be a longer video for me, but I do have a scan tool. And I plugged it in earlier before I decided to make a video. And that's maybe my next step, is to buy a better scan tool, because that's all a shop would do. It does plug in right up here. I get that plugged in, and the scan tool comes on, Foxwell. And then you go to enter, and it's hooking up to the computer, so that's why I'm thinking maybe there's nothing really wrong with the car's computer. But this is a very low-end code reader that I found on Craigslist. And actually, I think I only paid like $20 for it. Came with directions and the original box it came in and everything else. But it doesn't show any codes. When it goes through its cycle, and I'll turn the switch on here too. I think you have to have the switch turned on. The green arrow, the check light, does come on. See, yeah, there it comes on. Erase previously stored codes. No. Enter. Read codes. Read codes, enter. Stored codes, enter. Reading codes. There are no codes that are stored in this module. But when it's in this no start condition, it just whirls and whirls and whirls. It just will not start. So that's my next step, is maybe finding a better code reader. 1998 Chrysler Cirrus LXI 2.5 V6.